Hey everyone, this is the 3 boxes of Federal 22 and 100 rounds of Remington 22. Top spot gets 2 boxes, bottom gets 1, and second place gets 100 rounds, 10 and 10. Copy our list. Go live. 658. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 higher, 658. We got a 9. 659, now 9 times. 10 items on the list, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 items on the list. Mr. Dwayne on top, Mr. Steven on the bottom. We've randomized 8 times. Dice called for a 9. 659, final time. Good luck, everyone. 10 items, 9 times, 9 on the dice. Top spot, Mr. Joel Carroll gets 2 boxes. Mr. Dwayne gets the 100 rounds of Remington, and Mr. Lee gets a box. 10 items, 9 times, 9 on the dice. Congrats, winners. We are done. 659. Thanks, everyone.